Here is a brief 2-minute demo on how to get started with Nimbalyst. Start on Nimbalyst.com, then open the download page for your platform. Download Nimbalyst from the site and install it like any other desktop app. Nimbalyst is free and open source. On macOS, drag Nimbalyst into Applications to finish the install. When Nimbalyst opens, use Open Folder or New Folder to start with a local project folder. If you are working in code, choose Developer Mode in the Welcome dialog. That enables terminal, Git, pull request, commit management, and worktree features. Nimbalyst works with Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, and more. In Settings, turn on Codex and choose ChatGPT or API key authentication. The permission indicator controls what the agent can do without asking. Start with Allow edits while learning the workflow. Files mode keeps the file tree, editor, and agent panel together. Ask for one small change, review the diff, and keep or revert it. Agent mode is the focused view for chatting with coding agents, watching the session run, and seeing which files the agent touched. Tracker mode keeps tasks, bugs, decisions, and sessions in one place. Tasks can launch sessions with their context attached. MCP servers and /commands extend what the agent can do from inside the same workspace. For a tutorial, go to our docs site, docs.nimbalyst.com, and follow the steps to do an interactive tutorial. Nimbalyst is an open-source visual workspace for building with Claude Code, Codex, and more. Free to download.